So I received this on my doorstep the other day. They call it a soundbar, but does this look like a soundbar to you? I don't think so either. It's just too damn small to even call it that. I mean, maybe if you couple this up with a 13-inch TV, you would be able to, but who's stupid enough to use a 13-inch TV to watch movies? So no, it's definitely not a soundbar. Or is it? Hold on, real quick before I look stupid. Okay, so maybe it is a soundbar, but you know what? I wouldn't couple it with my TV to watch movies, but it might just be perfect as a Bluetooth speaker for music. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Checking ain't easy. I'm here to help. So, looking around the entire speaker, you can pretty much see that it is covered in glossy plastic, which I absolutely hate, man. Especially on devices that get handled a lot, and this is no exception. On the front is a soft fabric material that I wish actually covered the entire device, and smack center is company branding, which I think looks hideous. Not only is it crooked, which is messing with my OCD, but it's also just a bad looking generic design that makes this speaker look really cheap. On the right side, you have a volume wheel, which has a really satisfying click to shut off, and when you boot it up, it has a super dope sound. Take a listen. I'm so addicted to that noise, like sometimes I will just sit here and turn it on and off. Seriously. Now, on the bottom of the speaker, you have 4 rubber feet, which kind of help, keep the speaker in place when that bass actually kicks in. As far as ports go, you're not getting a whole lot, but on the back, you'll find your micro USB port for charging, and right next to that is your 3.5mm aux port. There's also a mic somewhere on this guy, so you can go ahead and take calls when your phone is connected. Now, the mic quality is decent enough. Everyone can hear me just fine. It's nothing special, but it gets the job done, and it's a nice little addition. So I'm definitely not impressed with the overall design of the speaker, but that's usually not the primary reason that you go out and get a speaker, is it? It's for the sound, and the sound on this guy is actually pretty amazing, especially coming in at under, I believe, $40. I could be wrong. It might be a little bit more, but for that price, you're getting a whole lot of boom for not a whole lot of bucks. I'll go ahead and let you guys take a listen.
Tell me, don't stop. Isn't as wonderful? Don't take the risk, boy. Welcome to the narcissism. We're united under our indifference. Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's work.
Pretty damn good sound coming out of these, two 10-watt speakers that are inside this. I don't really know how well my mic is actually picking up the sound, but man, the bass is damn good. It's there, it's loud, it's thumpy. You're obviously not gonna be able to feel it, but you can damn sure hear it, and it sounds great. Vocals from all genres of music sound fantastic, albeit sometimes they can sound a bit distorted, at higher volumes, I guess. But overall, fantastic quality sound coming out of this. I would say that rap music sounded the best, followed up by alternative and pop. But as a whole, I'm surprisingly surprised from the audio that this is producing. Now, on their Amazon page, they say that you can get about 12 hours of music playback, though this, however, was not the case for me. At max volume, I got more around 5 or 6 hours of music playback out of the 4500 milliamp hour battery, which is still very respectable. To help save some battery, this does have a function that automatically puts the speaker to sleep after 10 minutes of inactivity, which is awesome. What isn't awesome is the charge time. It takes about 5 hours just to charge this battery up, which is pretty disappointing. I wish it was more, around 2 to 3 hours. So if you can overlook the butt ugly design that this speaker has and just focus mainly on the sound that it produces, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised with the type of quality that this thing outputs. I know I am, and if you want to go ahead and check it out, as usual, I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description with the best possible price for you guys, and I believe I might have a discount code for you there as well. If I do get the discount code, Again, it's gonna be down there. Make sure to use that. It'll save you a little bit more money if you're picking this guy up. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out some other content. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one. On the right side, you have a volume wheel which has a realist. On the right side, you have a volume wheel which has a realist.